Hello everybody, in today's guide I will show you how to use reroll in Monopoly Go. Monopoly Go patched the old airplane mode method to roll dice. Here's the new method. So it's based on memorizing dice roll quirks. So the game now predetermines dice rolls for each multiplier, like 1, x10, etc. Each multiplier has its own quirk of rolls. Every time you roll, the quirk advances, regardless of multiplier used. Here's how some use it. Use a high multiplier like 100 or x 1000 and go into airplane mode. Roll multiple times, memorizing each result, write it down if needed. This reveals a chunk of the quirk for that multiplier. Exit airplane mode and switch to a low multiplier x1. Now you can use up rolls from the memorized quirk at a cheaper dice cost. There are things to consider. This can be time consuming memorizing long quirks. The method isn't perfect. You might waste dice trying to get to a desired roll. This strategy might not be supported by developers and could be considered unfair play. But this is the new method you could try and use. Let me know in the comments below if this will work in the future, or if it's patched, or if there is any new method to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.